Namaste. Welcome to this 9th episode of the series. And as you know that we are still stuck up in alphabet A. So while looking at my records, I was just thinking that why only LPs? Why not the 10-inch Angels? And I immediately struck upon this record, Apne Hue Paraye. This was the record that was made in 1964. This had Manoj Kumar and Mala Sinha in the lead roles, and the songs were written by Shailendra and Hasrat Jaipuri. The music was by Shankar Jaikishan. So let us take at this 10-inch jacket. Here it is. As you can see, the cover looks pretty excellent. This was the picture of the lead actress Mala Sinha, or I think it's a very beautiful picture, the very good example of light and shade photography, the large angel logo. And on the back side, this is the flip back cover. Yeah. The record number is 3AE1036. It had 7 songs, and I believe all of them were very mellifluous, very sweet, and very well written, very well music directed. The tunes were excellent. Now let's take a look at the original record. Here it is. This is in the original polyline jackets. They are like originals, not the original ones. I bought them from some online shop. और ये रहा record. Take a good look. Beautiful copy, in excellent condition, hardly played, and sounds amazing. The record number is 3AE1036, and the matrix number is OXJE870 on this side and 869 on this side. Cool then. Let's talk about something else. Now, mostly we all as collectors know that this record was released on Angel label, and it did not have any subsequent release. But I happened to come across another pressing, which was possibly from South Africa, because that's what it's written over there, which had the same cover and which was pressed with using the same lacquer, because the matrix number remains the same. Let me show you that one as well. Here you go. Just that the label is different. It's not Angel. The logo has changed. And on the back side, this is the flip back cover, and these are the details mentioned, where it's written famous disc distributors, Natal Office, 63 Victoria Street, Durban, Johannesburg, all those information, and the number is different. The record number is JDLPI12024, Mars and Movies. The banner was from Mars and Movies, a great banner, which had also released Seema. They were good movie makers, and they used to employ Shankar Jaikishan for most of their movies. So this is all about the cover. Now the record itself. This record is on a different label, as you can see. It is on the His Masters label. This label was mostly used for making those classical recordings and all. The matrix number remains the same, OXJE 869 and 870. 7 songs, and let us discuss each of them one by one. So the first song is Apne Hue Paraye by Lata Mangeshkar. किस्मत ने क्या दिन दिखलाए, क्या सोचा और क्या हो जाए, अपने हुए पराए. I think it's a very good song. The second song was by Lata Mangeshkar and Subir Sen. गगन के चंदा न पूछ हमसे, कहाँ हूँ मैं, दिल मेरा कहाँ है. Subir Sen had a good share of singing under Shankar Jaikishan. He sang for Aas Ka Panchi and few other films also. All in all, a good singer who used to sound like Hemant Kumar. And the third song is कोई बुलाए और कोई आए, अब दिल चाहे क्या, फिर कोई मुस्कुराया, फिर कोई फूल खिला. 3 songs. Then the fourth song is बहार बन के वो आए दिल में हमारी महफिल में, Lata Mangeshkar and chorus. So side 1, 4 songs, all top songs. The second side starts with दुपट्टे की गिरहा में बांध लीजिए, मुकेश, कभी तो काम आएगा मेरा दिल. Then हाय मुझे लूट लिया, आशा भोसले. This is a peppy number by Hasrat Jaipuri. I am forgetting the tune. And the last song on second side was मैंने बुलाया और तुम आए, which is nothing but the analog of कोई बुलाए और कोई आए. So written by Shailendra. So one good thing was with this duo, Shankar Jaikishan, was that they distributed the work very effectively. Shankar ji used to, focus more on the sarangi, tabla, harmonium and the Indian instruments, and he worked with Shailendra mostly. And Shailendra was given the job of, writing the philosophical poetries, theme songs, title tracks, and he was amazing in that. If you remember Avara, Shri 420, Sangam, An Evening in Paris, he used to write the title tracks with Elan. And the second pair was that of Jaikishan and Hasrat Jaipuri. So Hasrat Sahab was very good in writing peppy numbers, romantic numbers, and Jaikishan used more of, Western tunes, Western orchestration. Obviously, Sebastian worked for both of them, but the effective distribution of their work gave us a variety of songs on the disc. So if you look at any of their works, you will see that some songs are very Indian, very classical, very soothing, while some songs are very exciting, very peppy. So all in all, the listeners had an opportunity to listen to a great collection of variety. And that was precisely one of the reasons why Shankar Jaikishan were known as the emperors of the Indian film music. This is a great record and one of the very rare 10-inch angels. I think there were 42 10-inch angels made. I have all of them. We'll discuss them one by one as we progress in this series. So you can go back to YouTube, go back to other links, download these songs, give them a good hearing, and you'll realize what exactly was poetry and what exactly was delivery in those days. अब वैसे गाने नहीं होते. Now it's all cacophony. It's, all jarring music, I would say. So the golden age has passed. I am a man living in 2020 with my mind all set in 60s and 50s. So this is all that I will be bringing. अगले एपिसोड में फिर मिलते हैं आपसे एक और अच्छा सा साउंड ट्रैक लेके. Let's catch up again and discuss this journey. I hope you are enjoying. Please do like, comment, and of course subscribe to my channel. That gives a lot of energy and motivation to carry on. So take care and happy spinning. Namaste.